Hey, what's up guys, this is Vinay. I welcome you all in this tutorial. So in previous video we saw how we can run our Selenium script in Chrome browser. So in this tutorial we will run the same script in IE browser. So this is our previous script which we created. So what we will do, we will first download IEDriver in our local. So here it's a Selenium official download page. So we will click on this 64-bit window IE. So it's getting download. So after download you can go to your local folder where you have downloaded. I have kept all my download in this local folder. So here we will add one Python file. Okay, this is our Python file. I am giving a name as TestChromeSelenium IE. Okay, so I will copy the same code here. Okay, and after that I will copy the IEdriver path. So I will paste that path here where we have given Chrome path earlier in last video. Okay, so I just need to fix this naming convention. Yes, here in environment I have to pass IE, in driver location I have to pass IE, sorry it would be small e. Okay, so here we all set, so it should run in IE browser also. Okay, so run test IE Selenium. Okay, so now it's opening, and yeah, our Google page is also open. So yeah, so this is all about running a script in IE browser. In next video we will see how we can run our same script in Firefox browser also. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel, put your comment in comment section, or like my video. Thank you.